Hello and welcome to Terraria Expert Mode Episode 1. This is Vilentchicken, and I've already done a little bit of stuff. I meant to record it, but all I really did was, I accidentally forgot to record, but all I really did was make a house, you know. I did a tiny bit of mine, like nothing, barely any. I didn't really find any ores or anything. I have found this, just in these wooden chests, and I found some gold, and I had some bags and stuff. Yeah, but that's about it. I haven't done anything, and I bought this from the merchant. So yeah, what I want to do is make some wooden platforms, so I can fill this up. Ow! Come on. I'm trying to do something here. Okay, kill the purple slime, because I don't like the purple slime, because he was mean. No! Thank goodness for these climbing claws. I forgot I had these. Oh, that was crazy. I almost fell down there. Okay, let's get our platforms. Okay. Kill him. And place down our platforms right here. Alright. And if you look in the piggy bank, which is right here, I have 11 gold in it, which is actually pretty good, because the reason why is because one of those bags, the loot bag things, they gave me quite a bit of gold. So, yeah. So basically what I want to do is go mining. So I'm going to go mining. I'm going to fast forward this, but yeah, I'm going to go mining. So I'm going to make this go quickly, so yeah. Alright, well, we just got slain by a boulder. That kind of sucked. I'm gonna go fishing now. So, yeah, I'm gonna go fishing right in that mine with that big old place thing. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do some fishing. I have 0 bait. I don't think you have to have bait to do it. You might, though. I'm pretty sure you don't have to have bait. But it just makes it easier. Alright, let's do some more fast forwarding. Okay, maybe you do have to have bait. That was kind of dumb. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna go get some bait, catch some bugs, and then we'll be good. It better not be nighttime, but that would be sucky. Okay. Alright, let's go catch some bugs. Okay, I don't know, is there gonna be any bugs? Alright, I'm gonna be back in a second, try to get some bait. Oh, look at this, guys. This is a little bit of a tree right here. Yeah, so hopefully it's a wooden wand. Then I want to move into this tree if it's a wooden wand. Because, like, I love moving in the trees. It's just that if you don't have a wood wand, then you can't make it look nice at the base of the tree, and it's kind of annoying. Alright, let's light this up. This is kind of dark. Jump up here, and please be a wooden wand, not a leaf wand. Oh, I got both? That's never happened to me before. Let's grab all of it, and take this chest. Okay, that's nice, man. That is awesome. We got nice wood wand. Now I'm going to try to catch some more bugs when I get ones. Oh, look at this. We got a snow biome down more. I've got a snow biome. Let's go ahead and light this up. And let's explore this cave, actually. I kind of want to see what's in this cave. Maybe we can start getting some orbs. Whoa, no. Okay. These enemies do too much damage to me. Just keep lighting this place up and try to get some ores. There's a little crimson altar right there. Hopefully, hopefully we don't run into that. The crimson. Yeah. Alright, we're already in the deep underground, I think. So, let's just keep going. Yes, I was literally just barely thinking about how much I need a heart crystal. Okay. First heart crystal, guys. There we go, 120 health now. And we got a gold chest or an ice chest in here. A blizzard in a bottle. Nice, that's going to be very handy indeed. So now we can go ahead and jump. It's just like the cloud in the bottle. If you don't know what either of those are, well, this is what they do. Okay. Don't worry, those are very useful. I'm just gonna, okay. Day blooms, we want to keep as many of those as we can because they're good for potions. Okay, we can head down there. First, I'm gonna go down this way, okay. Oh, the stupid slimes, I forgot about them. Where's my bow and arrow? I can't. Here it is, okay. Throw it. it's like a boss fight. And we die and we dropped a gold coin. No, we don't want to drop a gold coin. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for this episode, guys. Actually, no, it's not. I'm gonna keep playing. So I'm gonna head back to this cave. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I get back. Actually, first I'm gonna go ahead and put down these chests and dump some stuff in it. Go ahead and go back to that cave. And the money's gone, man. Oh well, we got a lot more money in the chest, but it's still gone. We don't want it to be gone. Okay. Well, we can continue on with the cave still. So yeah. Well, let's get this pot. Anything up there? Let's see. I think that's gonna open up to a bigger area. But first, I'm just gonna explore a bit more of this. I really want as many heart crystals as I can get. Whoa, those guys are strong people. They would hit me. Oh, Medusa was down there. What? There was Medusa? Dang, man, I didn't know Medusa could spawn on easy mode. I forgot about that. Oh, whoa, 2 heart crystals right next to each other right there. I'm gonna have to go get those, man. Let's go over there. despawned. Only she did that the first time. Okay, let's get our torches. Light up this place. Just put torches everywhere, man. Oh, more gold ore too. Alright, now we can go ahead and sneak these little heart crystals before another Medusa shows up. Okay, we got these. Now we have 180 health, man. It's quite a bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this gold and we'll keep on mining. Head down. Alright, so it looks like our cave has come to an end. So let's go ahead and drink a recall potion, head back home, and yeah, it looks like this will be the end of the episode for today, guys. So hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. The next one, I think I'm gonna do some more mining. I'm gonna get some better armor. I need better armor. And then, after I get better armor, I need bait. I need lots of bait for fishing. So we can go ahead and go fishing. And once we get a crimson fishing rod, we'll be able to fish this shark pickaxe thing, which actually does a lot of damage. So, yeah, I haven't been finding any grasshoppers or anything, but they shouldn't be that rare. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do some of that off cam, but that's gonna be it for this episode. So I'll have to see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.